Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the central problem of economy. There are three main central problems of economy which are discussed. First, what to produce. A major problem before the country to decide what commodities should be produced and in what quantity. With the limited resources at her command, it referred to the choice among the different type of goods. For this, it has to make choice out of the following alternative means choice between the consumption goods like wheat, cloth, sugar, tea, watches, and capital goods, machine, tools, implement, fertilizer, seeds, and tractor. Second, choice between the mass goods, bread, cloth, house, and luxury goods, motor car, TV, fridge, gold, ornaments. Choice between the civil goods, cloth, watches, shoes, war goods, also gun, machine, gun, fighting, aircrafts. Choice between the private goods, private house, factories, TV, radio, public goods, public park, road, civil, hospital, government, school, etc. It is on the basis of these choices that the country decide about the allocation of scarce resources among the productions of various community. It is not possible for any economy to produce all goods in the quantity desired by the people. Thus, economic has to choose the community keeping in mind the need of the people in the country. So, allocating of resources in that guarantee maximum aggregate satisfaction. And how to produce. The next problem decide the manner in which the goods services should be produced. In other publication, problem is to be decided between the labor intensive technique and capital intensive technique of production. This problem arises because there is more than one possible way in which goods and service can be produced. When goods are produced using the large quantity of labor, only few simple machines, it is a labor intensive technique. On the other hand, when goods are produced using large quantity of highly sophisticated machine, only small number of workers, it is capital intensive technique. Thus, the problems of the how to produce can also be termed as problem of choice of technique. The main difference between the labor intensive and capital intensive technique of production lies in the fact that they combine factor of production in different proportion, and the proportions of labor is high. It is the labor intensive technique. When its proportion of capital is high, then capital intensive technique. Now question arises when which should be regarded as most efficient technique of production. If output produced by the different technique of the production is the same, the most efficient technique is one which use the least amount of scarce resources and minimize cost. Next, from whom to produce. This third important problem before economists to decide from whom goods and services to be produced or goods should be consumed, how much. It is initially related to earn how much. Hence, this problem referred to the decision regarding the shares of different factors of production in the total national product of the country. We know that the output in economy is the result of combined effect of various factors of production, and the output should be distributed among these factor of production. Now the question is how should we distribute or how the share different factor of production should be determined. The problem basically the problem of distribution of income and wealth in the society. These problems what, how, and for whom are the main problem of economy. In other words, every economy face the problem allocating resources in the production various type of goods and service among the individual in the economy. So all the three problems are the part of bigger problem known as problem allocations of resources. The branch of economy which is deal with the problem allocation of resources in market economy is called the microeconomics theory. Thank you.